Borishal is very special to me. It's my hometown. My Bangladesh to the world. Welcome to the Venice of Bengal. Welcome to Borishal. I am at Kuriana Sharupkathi, Borishal. It is the earliest example of river-based sustainable farming in this region. Now, it is not just a Pyara Bagan, it is a tourist place. The Kirtankhula River alone shapes its trade, education and political connectivity for centuries, long before road existed. But Borishal is not just a city of river. It is Bangladesh's oldest intellectual and political nerve center. While visiting